Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic brings major challenges, including industrial, economic, inflow, on-home production, delivery, online shopping, and supply chains upsets. In that context, the supply chain has some changes in 2021. Supply chain operations and performance are affected by social distancing. Production results and international trade flows are significantly reduced. Factory closures, border restrictions, travel bans, port closures, and suspended transportations interrupted the entire supply network, thus leading to shortages, followed by some change of supply chain in 2021 to 2022, such as supply chains are going green, omnichannel services, and contact delivery as new normal. Robotic automation of supply chain, automation through AI, AR, and VR. Most of the world companies are affected by the pandemic. They also report disruptions in their supply chains. The main trends of this effect include the following. Prices fluctuate, disruptions in supply chain stages, such as distribution, shipment, loading and unloading, return, profit, and income reduce, thus hurting retailers' abilities regarding their quality control. Production, capacity, and manufacturing capability decrease. Customer experience is the total customer's experience during the purchase and exposure to a certain product, service, or brand. Four elements of customer experience are cognitive, emotional, physical, sensorial, and social elements. When purchasing, receiving, and returning goods, there are some typical bad customer experiences as follow: out-of-stock merchandise or delayed deliveries because of supply chain disruption. The product's package is not careful, sketchy, dented, delivery person with a bad attitude. The return process did not take place according to customer's request. Product quality is not satisfactory. So, what are the reasons for causing that experience to happen? Firstly, logistics activities are not efficient. The process had not been optimized. Failure to maximize the effectiveness of 7 rights in logistics criteria will lead to bad customer experiences such as poor quality goods due to collisions during transportation, slow delivery, or high cost. The second one, there has not been a suitable conversion in combination with products models. There are 2 main models in inventory management: JIT, just in time, lean production, optimizing cost by cutting inventory, and JIC, just in case, risk prevention production, stock availability. Failure to properly assess current resources to apply the right model can lead to inefficient or broken supply chains. In particular, in the context of supply chain disruption due to COVID-19, it is necessary to switch from JIT to JIC to ensure sufficient reserves for production and consumption. And the final one, poor customer service. It happened because customer interaction tools are not effective and poor service staff attitude. The reason is that the current supply chain is focusing on products but not focusing on service development. In fact, there are 5 fields of actions which relate to practices that companies use and are relevant to your experience. They are reversing, planning, delivering, making, and sourcing. Notably, the main focus here is on reversing and delivering. Reverse logistics program includes the return of goods to the original manufacturer, recycling of goods on the secondary market. But what is the importance of reverse logistics in customer-centric? If a customer had a bad experience with your product, you have to make it right. Quickly refunding or replacing goods can help restore a customer faith in the brand. A good reverse logistics program for the company can improve not only the profits of the company, but even customer satisfaction. About delivering, companies choose the right courier for its brand and bring to your customer the cheap price of delivery. But the faster the shipping, the more expensive the price. The increase of internet gives the customer the right to buy many things all over the world. So, delivery services of companies should make it easier for customers to get a hold of what's currently hot in the market. But then, customers are quite concerned about the product quality. Due to the nature of how COVID-19, many companies now allow customers to pay ahead, either by phone or online, eliminating the physical transfer of cash or handling of credit cards, both of which can potentially harbor the virus. But online payment has a lot of risks for customers. target set when businesses want to apply effectively in putting customers at the center of supply chain is improve speed and reduce shipping and production costs, respect the needs of each individual customer, pay attention to the health and safety of customers. On the flip side, there are many problems that businesses will encounter when applying these criteria. For example, high operating costs, not enough resources. Businesses must have a suitable and common online payment method. In consulting customers, businesses must know how to apply information technology. Enterprises must digitally transform, requiring highly qualified human resources. Therefore, the businesses need to re-evaluate the company, evaluate the feasibility when applying, develop synchronously, encourage the application of IT. Putting customer at the center is essential, determining the competitive advantage of the company, the trust of customers in the business.